From the SharePrices.com.au studios, I'm CJ Dore, back with some stock market education. What we're doing now is sticking with our bullish candlestick patterns. Now, a bullish pattern is always a little hint of potential upward movement in the market or for a share price. And the pattern we're trying to find is the piercing line. So let's bring in the formation here and have a look. So a two-day formation. Day one is red, day two is green. Good sized candlesticks, very similar, but the green on day two slightly offset, just a bit lower. Now what we want to do is have a look at a key technical indicator to make sure that this is a piercing line and is going to hint at some upward movement. Let's come halfway down the red candlestick. Let's put a line across and make sure that that line covers more than half of the movement for day two, just leaving a little bit at the top. So let's now go to SharePrices.com.au. Now we've got a day chart here over a couple of months. Each candlestick represents 1 day's worth of share price movement each. And see if we can spot the piercing line that leads or triggers the upward movement. And let's have a look. There it is there. Now note that it built from the bottom left up to the piercing line, just evened off a little bit, and that's our day one and day two. Remember, day two is a little bit lower. Let's go back to the formation and make sure we've got it right. Similar in size, day one red, day two green, and let's have a look. Come halfway down, come across, and it's covering more than half of the day two or green candlestick. Let's go back and have a look. Yes, it is. So very similar in size, good size candlesticks, and the red come halfway down and across is going to cover more than half of the green. Now from there it immediately jumps up, settles a little, but then carries on very strongly up to the top right hand corner. So a good indication and a good summary there of the piercing line, and we've spotted that, we've isolated it, and yes, it offered potential and it followed through. Look at that, good upward bullish movement after seeing the piercing line. Go to SharePrices.com.au now. Apply a candlestick chart to something you hold or you're keen on watching and see if you can spot the piercing line. Remember, day one red, day two green, and look for that little 50% mark covering more than half of day two. Could be an indication that those stocks are on the way up. I'm CJ Dore with some more stock market education from the SharePrices.com.au studios. Happy trading. Talk to you again soon.